boost. This is where DAC steps in with a range of funding solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of gas station owners. How does DAC compare to traditional bank loans? When securing loans, many entrepreneurs turn to traditional banks. While banks have their merits, DAC offers a refreshing alternative. Traditional bank loans often come with stringent requirements, extended approval timelines, and the need for a pristine credit history. In contrast, DAC's approach is more flexible and accessible. DAC understands the specific challenges faced by gas station owners, and their financing options reflect this. Whether you need working capital to manage day-to-day operations or financing for equipment upgrades, DAC